Hi, I'm Jennifer Peper, president of Aristotle Interactive, a full-service marketing agency. And we know that your customers are finding you in so many incredible ways this year online. In my session at the ICA trade show in Vegas, you'll learn important and easy tools that are affordable and will move you up in social, search, and mobile. Heck, I'm so excited. I'm camped out here in Little Rock, Arkansas at the Boomerang Car Wash. So join me. My session's called Who's Washing Now? Online Marketing Strategies That You Can't Afford to Ignore. Because this is how we do it at Aristotle, and this is how we do it at the car wash. Working at the car wash.
Ma'am, stop. It's not necessary.